So for today, I'm going to be showing you how you can add an install button in your Navbar header. An install button will allow your customers to download your simple booklet as an offline native app. This includes its own unique launch icon and the ability to read your content without having access to internet. This feature can be very helpful if you are a brand or a business that depends on your customers taking and spreading around your content and maybe keeping it to refer to on another time. So to begin, you'll want to go to your Design tab. Once you're in your Design tab, look at the toolbar on the left and click on Navbar. Now that you've clicked on Navbar, I would like to direct your attention to the top right corner. And once you've opened Navbar, scroll to find Install, and again, keeping an eye on the top right corner, you'll want to toggle on your Install button. As you can see, our Install button has been instantly added to our simple booklet. Now I'm going to open up my simple booklet to show you what a customer should see and be able to download. Once your customer is on your site, they'll go to your Navbar header up top, click on Install as App, and then click on the button Install. Their device or browser will then ask them for permission to install your booklet as an app. And as you can see, I now have this booklet as an offline app on my device. And that's how you add an install button on your simple booklet. Thank you for listening.